selectivity. Or what is the formula for the selectivity? What is the formula for that selectivity? Selectivity is equal to XL upon R. Okay? XL upon R. Before that, what is meant by selectivity? Selectivity is nothing but you are to select the desired frequency and to reject the other frequency. Okay? And it is obtained by using the tune circuit. And it is mentioned by Q. Q is nothing but your quality factor, or Q is nothing but your selectivity. Okay, and this is the formula to find out the selectivity, because most of the time this some of the questions, some of the example will be asked on the basis of selectivity. Okay, so this is the formula to find out the selectivity. Q is equal to XL upon R. XL upon R. R is nothing but your resistance, XL is nothing but your whatever the inductance. इंडक्टेंस जो यूज करते हैं, इंडक्टर का क्या रहता है, इंडक्टेंस रहता है, मीन सम ऑफ द वैल्यू इज गिवन इन दैट प्रॉब्लम, द इंडक्टेंस वैल्यू क्या, इंडक्टेंस ऑफ दैट इंडक्टर. So this by using that formula we can find out the selectivity. Then the bandwidth curve from the tune circuit, we can also find out the bandwidth from that graph. The bandwidth is equal to FR is upon Q. FR nothing but your rising frequency और रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी. रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी मीन्स जो तुम्हारी फ्रीक्वेंसी रिसीव कर पा रहे हो उसको बोलते हैं अपन रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी, राइट. दिस इज योर रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी अपॉन क्यू. और always the q selectivity parameter q is always be inversely proportional to the bandwidth. If the quality parameter, if the selectivity is maximum, the bandwidth is required for that signal, for receiving of signal is less. So the bandwidth, the relation between the bandwidth and the Q is inversely proportional to each other. If the selectivity is maximum, then bandwidth is less required for receiving the signal. Is it clear? So this is the formula to find out the bandwidth, right? Bandwidth is equal to FR upon Q. क्योंकि this is a very important formula, क्योंकि आप इसका screenshot लेके रखो, because these are the some of the, and FR is nothing but your resonant frequency. We can find out the resonant frequency is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root of LC. आपने पढ़ा होगा ना कि फ्रीक्वेंसी अगर फाइंड आउट करना, अगर एल एंड सी सर्किट दिया है तो एल एंड सी का सर्किट जब देते हैं तब उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 पाई रूट LC. By using that formula we can find out the resonant frequency, right? So higher the quality factor, the narrower the bandwidth and the better the selectivity. Because higher the Q, if the higher the Q, the narrower the bandwidth. Means this is the inversely proportional to each other, because अगर Q अगर मेरा ज़्यादा है, obviously the bandwidth it remains less, and better the selectivity means better the selectivity, right? Using the bandwidth of a receiver at the 3 dB point, not necessary to show the rejection of characteristics. It's most commonly used to point another 60 dB ratio to call as a shape factor. Shape factor, this is nothing but a shape factor means what we have to receive the bandwidth at the receiver is 60 dB, or what we have to receive the bandwidth at the 3 dB. So by using that bandwidth we can find out the shape factor. ठीक है, ये मे भी आपके ध्यान में आया तो भी चलेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. Okay, we can take one of the problem related with that selectivity and bandwidth. For example, high Q tune act circuits are used to keep the bandwidth narrow to ensure that only the desired signal is passed. Okay, right? Because at the output of RF amplifier we are getting the desired signal. Assume that 10 microhenry coils, 10 microhenries means this is a value is given for that inductor. Okay, inductor with resistance 20 ohm. This is a value also given for that resistance. 10 microhenry is used for is value for that inductance or inductor, or resistance value is given for the R. Is connected in a parallel. जो दो है सर्किट, क्योंकि अपन L and R जो सर्किट है पैरेलल में लगा रहे हैं, ठीक है, with 101.4 picofarad. ठीक है, दिस इज द वैल्यू फॉर दैट कैपेसिटर, वेरिएबल कैपेसिटर. द सर्किट रेजोनेंट एट व्हाट फ्रीक्वेंसी, मीन्स अपने को क्या निकालना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालना है. So what is the inductance reactance, what is the selectivity of that circuit, the bandwidth of the tune circuit, and find the upper and lower cutoff frequency. These are the parameters we have to find from that given some values. Okay, how it will be the find out this value by using that given value, because already we have to know what is the quality factor. Q is nothing but your Q क्या है, FR upon XL upon R. What is the FR? FR is nothing but your resonance frequency 1 upon 2 pi LC. This is the formula, and the XL is nothing but, because when we have to use the inductors, that time how the inductance we have to find out from that value 2 pi FRL. Okay, these are the three formula. This is a very important formula while we have to solving the example. Okay, ये formula आप note down करके रखो. This is FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi LC, XL is equal to 2 pi FRL, and Q is nothing but XL upon R. By using this formula, we can find out the resonance frequency. How the resonance frequency we have to find by using that formula, because in that expression or in that example we are giving the value of inductor. L की value दी है, C की value दी है. So by using that L and C value we can find out the resonance frequency. अगर तुम calculate करोगे, this is the value. When we are to putting this value in that L and C, we can get the value of for that resonance frequency. How the value we are getting? 5 megahertz frequency we are getting by using this formula. Okay, 5 megahertz. Then after that we have to find out the XL. XL is nothing but your inductance of that inductor. So this is a formula to find out the inductors. How? Because value दी है अपने को inductor की, so by using that value we can put up this value, and resonance frequency we have to find out by using that formula. Then XL का formula क्या है? 2 pi FRL. ठीक है, 2 pi FRL. All these values we have to put here in that formula, or we are getting this value of that XL. By using that, or by getting the two value FR and XL, we are find out the quality factor. We are getting the quality factor. What is the formula for that quality factor? Q is equal to XL upon R. XL upon R. Already we have getting the value of that XL 314 ohm. We are getting from that expression, and R is also the given in that question. Okay, how much R is given? I think 10 ohm is given for that resistance. 20 ohm. This is the value for that resistance. Okay, 20 ohm. 20 ohm R is given by putting this value of R and also the XL. We are getting the value of a quality factor Q. Okay, Q. How much Q is? How much quality factor we have to find out from that formula? 15.7. 15.7 is the quality factor. It has no unit. क्वालिटी फैक्टर सेलेक्टिविटी कोई यूनिट नहीं रहता है. ठीक है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि देर इज नो यूनिट इज यूज फॉर दैट सेलेक्टिविटी. नियर अबाउट 16 quality factor, 16 selectivity we are getting, means much better the quality factor or selectivity is getting from that question. Okay, so this is the selectivity, and by using that selectivity we are getting the selective, we are find out the bandwidth. Okay, what is the formula for that bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but your FR upon Q, resonance frequency upon Q. Resonance frequency already we are getting the 5 megahertz. Here is the 5 megahertz we are getting. This value we have to put up here, and quality factor we are getting from that this expression. These two value we are putting in that equation, we are getting the bandwidth. How much bandwidth is generated, or how much bandwidth we have to find out by using that formula? 318.47 kilohertz. This is the bandwidth is required to receive my original signal. Means as compared to transmitter, when we have to transmit AM signal, that time much more bandwidth is required to transmit the AM signal. But at the receiver, we are receiving the some amount of less bandwidth is required to receive my original signal. This is a comparison in between that modulator and demodulator. Is it clear? Okay, and the ratio in between that bandwidth and the quality factor Q is inversely proportional to each other. If the selectivity is more, the bandwidth is less. If the bandwidth is less, the selectivity is much better in that receiving of my signal. Okay. Is it clear? And second part is we are getting the sideband. Sideband means upper sideband and lower sideband. Okay, upper sideband and lower sideband. This is the one of each side center. How much center frequency we are getting? This is the resonant frequency is nothing but your center frequency. Center frequency. Okay, जब अपन frequency spectrum we have generated, जब अपन frequency spectrum जब generate करते हैं, center frequency रहती है तुम्हारी FC. एफसी क्या है तुम्हारी सेंट्रल फ्रीक्वेंसी और दिस इज नथिंग बट योर रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो मुझे कितना मिला है 5 मेगाहर्ट्ज मिली है. तो कितना मिला है 5 मेगाहर्ट्ज. अब मुझे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है अपर साइड बैंड एंड लोअर साइड बैंड. हाउ द अपर साइड बैंड विल बी जनरेटेड एंड हाउ द lower side band will be generated, because when we have to generate or when we have to calculate the upper side band, what is the formula to find out the upper side band? FC plus FM. FC plus FM means whatever the frequency, center frequency plus FM, साइड बैंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी, राइट. तो साइड बैंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? जो भी तुम्हें मिला है 31, जो भी तुम्हें टोटल बैंडविड्थ मिला है, टोटल बैंडविड्थ अपॉन 2. टोटल बैंडविड्थ कैसे निकालते हैं अपन? अपर साइड बैंड माइनस लोअर साइड बैंड, राइट. अपर साइड बैंड माइनस लोअर साइड बैंड. तो उसको डिवाइड करूंगा तो मेरा अपर साइड बैंड एंड लोअर साइड बैंड क्या मिलेंगी? मुझे साइड बैंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी मिलेंगी, राइट. साइड बैंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी मिलेंगी. बट उसमें सब एडिशन रहेगा, किसमें? सेंटर फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो व्हेन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द अपर साइड बैंड F2, FC प्लस FM. FC क्या है मेरा? 5 मेगाहर्ट्ज प्लस 0.59 क्या है मेरा? अपर साइड बैंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी, बिकॉज दिस इज द टोटल बैंडविड्थ डिवाइडेड बाय 2, क्योंकि अपर साइड बैंड का और लोअर साइड बैंड में डिवाइड होती है फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो दिस इज द अपर साइड बैंड. सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी वी हैव टू यूज इन अ लोअर साइड बैंड. So these are the two bands we have to generated by using that equation or by using that expression. Okay, these are the parameters. These are the some of the methods we have to find out the parameter. For example, bandwidth, upper side band, lower side band, quality factor, XL, FL. Okay, this type of a question will be asked in your examination, right? Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we have stopped here, and next lecture we will continue by sensitivity. So thank you.